To some, that looks like just an FE block sitting there, but that block is already earmarked for a special project. That block is about to head to the machine shop. That block is going to the machine shop, getting cleaned, bored, honed, line board, gonna get a slight deck on it to make sure it's true, because it's going to our friends in Florida. You may know them as Riley Rebuilds. We're building her a cool short block. I'm not going to tell you what her project is. All I'm telling you is that we're building her a cool 390 short block for a project that she already has the top end stuff for. So go check out her channel. I'm sure she'll have more on it when we get it there. Hopefully we'll get the stuff back from the machine shop sometime this coming week, and we'll be able to get her short block for her project.